इंट्रोडक्शन दे देता हूँ।
हरे कृष्णा। सो आप सभी का स्वागत है। आई वुड से ये हमारे इस साल का पहला मॉर्निंग प्रोग्राम रहा है वे वी असेंबलिंग। हम लोग पहले किया करते थे अपना मॉर्निंग प्रोग्राम वे विल कम टुगेदर एज अ कम्युनिटी, बट जगह की शॉर्टेज होने के कारण we were just thinking how we can assemble together for full morning program for 4:30, and we had a very good excuse and a very blessed reason to come together. We got the opportunity to have the association of His Holiness Bhakti Prem Swami Maharaj, and coincidentally, the class was actually scheduled for morning. Although we generally plan it for the evening, I said, very good. Now everyone has a reason to come for the morning program. So like this, so thank you all for coming. I'd like to introduce Maharaj briefly here. So His Holiness Bhakti Prem Swami Maharaj, जिनका जन्म 31 दिसंबर 1967 में हुआ।
इतना डिटेल जरूरत है?
Okay. Okay. I'll speak in my terms like that. So Maharaj have rendered various services all across. उनका जन्म गौड़िया वैष्णव परिवार में हुआ, and is known for various services. For one thing, for which Maharaj was really recognized and awarded also for building the fastest temple in ISKCON history. मैं महाराज को अभी बस बाहर बता रहा था कि महाराज हमें 10 महीने लग गए एग्रीमेंट साइन करने में. Just like all of you know, yesterday we signed an agreement for our land. We're hoping Janmashtami this year will have it at our land. But however, the whole temple was built under the leadership of Maharaj within 9 months like this. Nonetheless, by education, Maharaj had been an MBBS.
Yeah, actually, one disciple of his Radhan Singh Maharaj, he wrote on Ashtakam in Sanskrit for Bhakticharu Maharaj. He made the Garbha Kalam. Garbha Kalam means a fetus remains 9 months 20 days. So Bhakticharu Maharaj made this temple 9 months 20 days. Garbha Kalam.
Oh yes. So Maharaj, as per his education, had been a doctor, MBBS. तो उनकी काफ़ी साल तक सेवा उस प्रकार मायापुर में वैसी रही है. So he had been a doctor in both the terms, spiritual doctor as well as a physical doctor. Now Maharaj travels all over the world. He is a sannyasi as well as an initiating guru, and he charms and cures the heart of the mental disease, of the contaminations, by his sweet, very melodious kathas, conversation talks, and his beautiful narrations of the bhajans written by our acharyas. One of our last Mayapur Yatra, when we were traveling, in the train we were singing, different bhajans. So one Bengali lady, we probably sang for 3 hours, and I was most of the time singing. My Bengali is like Bengali plus English, and it's a new language altogether. And that Bengali lady, Bechari, somehow tolerated for 3 hours. After that, she said, "ये कौन सी भाषा में भजन हो रहे थे?" So now we're going to hear. Maharaj has been coming to Pune for many, many years, and one of the things, we get to really relish the original Bengali bhajans, how they should be sung, how they should be understood. उसी प्रकार से I requested Maharaj also to speak on that lines only. Otherwise हमारे लिए सिर्फ एक ही मेलोडी होती है, एक ही टोन होता है, उसमें सारे भजन फिट हो जाते हैं, और जैसे तैसे करके एंड में हरे कृष्ण ऐड करके हमारा कीर्तन खत्म. But now we get to know actually, because the melody carries the mood. जिस author ने जिस भजन को लिखा है, there is a particular emotions involved. So we are very, very fortunate to have among us His Holiness Bhakti Prem Swami Maharaj, who's going to charm our heart, raise our level of consciousness, and bring us closer to the lotus feet of Guru and Gauranga. Let us welcome His Holiness Bhakti Prem Swami Maharaj once by loudly chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And along with Maharaj, I'd like to also welcome our devotees from NVCC, His Grace Antati Prabhu, His Grace Gaur Leela Prabhu, my dear friend Yugal Shah Prabhu, Vishwajit Krishna Prabhu, Trilokeshwar Prabhu, and many other devotees who have come, and they're probably on the way. I got a message yesterday, Prabhuji, can I come? मैंने कहा वो बस पार्टी वाली बस भर के लेके आ जाओ ब्रह्मचारियों को, आप अकेले क्यों आ रहे हो? So maybe they're on the way if they're bringing a bus. So we'll hope they'll come. Thank you, Maharaj. Hare Krishna.
ओम ज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पश्चात्तदेशतारिणे श्रीचैतन्य मनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति शब्दान्तिकं वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं शग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं स्वाद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी विश्वभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये मंचाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण। Prabhu ordered me to sing one Bengali song, Markine Bhagavad Dharma. Baro Kripa Koile Krishna Adhamer Prati. Everybody has mobile, please open there. Prabhupada wrote this song, Markine Bhagavad Dharma. The name of the song, Markine Bhagavad Dharma. The song starts, Baro Kripa Koile Krishna Adhamer Prati. So, what is Markin? Markin, actually, this word is used only in Bengal, not other place. America's another name is Markin. And London's another name is Bilat. Why? Because British look has changed our Delhi into Delhi, Kolkata, Calcutta, Mumbai, Bombay, even Bharat to India. So they have changed all our names. That is, Bengali said we should change your name also. That is, they Bengali called America as Markin and London as Bilat. Anybody come from London? They call Bilat Ferot. The famous degree. And not only that, Prabhupada also changed so many other places because they are fond of New York, New Jersey. Prabhupada said, okay, New Vrindavan, New Mayapur, New Panihati, New Jagannath Puri. So Prabhupada has changed so many things. So Markine Bhagavad Dharma. How to preach Krishna consciousness in America. That is the meaning of this song. Headline. Prabhupada reached Boston 17 September 1965. Prabhupada's destination was to go New York. But he just reached east coast of USA, Boston. It took near about 38 days. Prabhupada started, which date? 13th September, 13th October. Prabhupada started from Calcutta, 13th October and reached 17th September. How many days? 13 to 17. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. The 5 days. So 35 days. Took 1 month, 5 days. So Prabhupada landed Boston shore. Then he again come back to the ship. And he first time saw America. Before was radio news, now TV news. He knew that America is a horrible place. But when he saw personally, he became more horrified. Then in 18th September, before reaching 19th, 18th September, he wrote one song in Bengali. That name was the Bengali song is Markine Bhagavad Dharma. Another thing, Prabhupada wrote all the books in English language. Why? His spiritual master's instruction to preach in English language. But when it comes to the prayer to Krishna or his spiritual master, that time he wrote in Bengali. That means mother language very easy to express our heart. So Prabhupada wrote so many Bengali bhajans. In the sheep he wrote 2 Bengali bhajans, prayer to Krishna, both are the prayer to Krishna. And for his spiritual master Vyash Puja, he wrote 8 Bengali bhajans, they call Vaishishta Ashtakam. He wrote another 8 Bengali songs in his disappearance day Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. They call it Viraha Ashtakam. All he wrote in Vrindavan, 1959, 1960, these 2 years. And whole Bhagavad Gita in Bengali in 1962. Whole Bhagavad Gita in Bengali. Also, when he was Vrindavan, he wrote another 27 songs in Bengali songs for, it's called Vrindavane Bhajan. How to do bhajan in Vrindavan. What is the real bhajan in Vrindavan? Prabhupada said, it is not pulling beads and searching chapatis and chana in somebody's, madhukar somebody's house. That is not Vrindavan bhajan. He very powerful, so many nice things there. So one of such thing is there. Here, this prayer to Krishna, begging mercy for how to preach in America. Now, everybody have experience. If you want to go for some program, how intensely you pray to Krishna, Jagannath. Oh, Jagannath, I am going. Please bless me so that I can speak something. We go for what purpose? For speaking something. But Prabhupada has not gone there speaking. Prabhupada has gone there for transforming their heart. Or mission is different. So Prabhupada prayed there. Boro kripa koile Krishna adhamer prati. Oh Lord, I am adham. What is the opposite of adham? Uttam. What is the meaning of uttam? What is the uttam? Prabhupada translated. What is the adham? Uttam. Prabhupada Bhagavad Gita means wrote. Uttam means udgata tama. Coming out from ignorance. This world is full of ignorance. Coming out from this ignorance is udgata tama, is uttam. So he said, I am adham, I am full of ignorance. Boro kripa koile, you are so merciful unto me, though I am fallen, you have shown the great mercy unto me. Why? Why? If somebody give you one American visa and passport ticket, how will you feel? Thank you. Grateful. So, who brought Srila Prabhupada in America? Prabhupada tried his best whole his life, in Prabhupada Lilamrita. But after reaching there, he is giving full credit to Krishna. Krishna, you have brought me here. For that reason, thank you. Why thank you? For sightseeing America? So why is giving thank you? Who can give the answer? Why is giving thank you to Krishna? Because his spiritual master instructed to preach in English language. If you don't get English audience, to whom will preach in English? So, you have given me the scope to fulfill the instruction of my spiritual master, to preach in English language. That is a thank you. Boro kripa koile Krishna adhamere prati, ki lagi anile he tha. Ki lagi means रीजन, किसके लिए यह लेकर आया, की लागी आनी ले हेता, हेता मीन्स हियर. For what reason you have brought me here, I don't know. He knows, but karo eve goti. Goti means? Goti means? Yeah, fulfill that destination. Must be you have some desire to bring me here. So do that. You brought me here with some desire. So now, the purpose you have brought me here, please do. You said we should do. I have no ability to do that. Then he said, রজস্তম গুণে এরা সবাই আচ্ছন্ন, বাসুদেব কথা রুচি নহে সে প্রসন্ন. Before that line, আছে কিছু কার্য তব এই অনুমানে, নহে কেন আনিবেন এই উগ্রস্থানে. আছে কিছু কার্য. You have কার্যত কাজ. What is the meaning of sarkar? Sarkar, what is the meaning of sarkar? Government sarkar. Why sarkar? सर्व कार्य, सारे जिम्मेदारी जिसके उसका नाम सरकार. सर्व कार्य सरकार. तो यहाँ कार्य काज, আছে কিছু काज. काज अर्थात काज कर्म. काज शब्द हिंदी में है, काज कार्य. काज मीन्स कार्य. कि बंगाली में वो जॉ एक एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड आते हैं, वो संस्कृत में हिंदी में नहीं है. जॉ य देखिए जोग, बंगाली जोग बोलते हैं, योग होना चाहिए. तो बंगाली एक भूल प्रोनाउंसिएशन करते हैं. तो एक्चुअली काज नहीं है, कार्य यो हुआ, लेकिन बंगाली काज बोलते हैं, काज काम. तो আছে কিছু কার্য তব এই অনুমানে, আই অনুমান, আই ক্যান গেস ইউ হ্যাভ সামথিং ইন প্ল্যান ইন ইয়োর মাইন্ড. নহে কেন আনিবেন এই উগ্রস্থানে, আদারওয়াইজ হোয়াই ইউ হ্যাভ ব্রট মি হিয়ার. উগ্রস্থান মিন্স হরিবল প্লেস. হোয়াই পূর্বাত্র হরি উগ্রস্থান ইন ভগবদ গীতা. হোয়াট ইজ দি এক্সপ্লেনেশন অফ উগ্র কর্ম? In 16th chapter, discovering, inventing atom bomb, all this type of ugra karma. So America is ugrasthan. Nahe keno aniben ei ugrasthane. I was peacefully in Vrindavan, you brought me here in ugrasthan. Must be you have some purpose. I am not a criminal that you have for punishment you brought me here. But I was serving you nicely, you brought me here. So must be you have some plan. রজস্তম গুণে এরা সবাই আচ্ছন্ন, বাসুদেব কথা রুচি নহে সে প্রসন্ন. রজস্তম গুণে এরা সবাই আচ্ছন্ন. Everybody there, rajo and tamogun. There is no tinge of satyagun. Rajogun, everybody are doing, running after money. They are inventing new road, flyover. Why? For running one place to another place. They are thinking, last week I was listening one lecture. Prabhupada said, they are proud of their science. But due to that science, what happens? For earning money, they have to go 2,000 kilometers. He said, I have seen personally in America, one people every day going one place to another place on flight and evening come back. So 1,000 kilometers he is going and coming for earning money, and he is saying, I was so developed in our modern science. Rascal cannot stay home. You know, there is a question to Yudhishthira Maharaj. Who is happy? What is the definition of the happiness? Happiness? Yes, first stage, Orini, Aprovashi, Shakarnabhoji. 3 definitions of the definition. Orini. Everybody in this world, everybody's house is rented house. Not rented, what is called? Mortgage house. In America and other place, if you have money, you cannot buy. If you have money, still you have to. The system is like that. you have mortgage 30 years, 50 years, because one time you are unable to pay, that time building will belongs to us. So that is the system. So everybody is a rented house. So proud. Oh, I am giving 50,000 per month. So proud. Rascal, it is not your house. You are giving rent and proud. So, or Rini, he's Rini. He's thinking it is my home. One day I was still asked, is my house. So how much you? So Maharaj, not myself. Nobody can buy. As big person, nobody can buy flat. Everybody in mortgage. So we are in illusion. My house. It's a bank's house. They gave me permission to stay. So, Rini, everybody is in debt. Apravashi, everybody away from their home. You see in their maybe 1,500 apartment, how many people are from their home? Nobody's home is there. And they are away from their parents also. What is this life? You are unable to stay home, unable to stay with their parents. It is life. Like birds, when they are growing, in the same way, when get married, get one job, no relation with parents. Bird life, animal life. And we are proud of this. Prabhashi. we have forgotten our birthplace also. Shakanna bhuji, simple eating. So, everybody is proud of their modern advancement, but they cannot stay in home. This type of activity is Ugra Karma. So America is the famous place for that. That is the Prabhupada said, Nahe kano aniben ei Ugra sthane. You have some purpose to bring this in Ugra sthan, horrible place. Rajastamo gunera shobai achhanno, Vasudev katha ruchi nahe shepanrashan. Everybody has Rajantamo. Vasudev katha ruchi. What is the relationship between these two? They have, all are engrossed in Tamo and Rajagun, but they have no interest in Vasudev. What is the connection between these two lines? Because what is the another gun? Shuddha Sattva is called Vasudev Sthiti. Shuddha Sattva called Vasudev Sthiti. And subject matter of Vasudev, when you understand? In Sattva Gun. By drinking alcohol. Hare Krishna, Hare. Can you understand something? So, time, place, everybody is there is some relationship. By going to a stadium and cinema hall, you are reading Srimad Bhagavatam and short Sandarbha. It's not possible. So, atmosphere is there. Like prostitute in other places. Or that places, what is first thing? Liquor. They will mad you, then enjoy. Lost your life. So in the same way, as they have no tinge of Sattvagun, that is why it is impossible for them to understand the subject matter of Sattvagun. The Krishna consciousness is subject matter of Sattvagun. So there is no possibility they will understand Krishna consciousness. But why you have brought me here in such a horrible place? Wow, what is the logic? But তবে যদি তব কৃপা হয় অহৈত কি সকলেই সম্ভব হয় তুমি সে কৌতুকী তবে means but তবে যদি তব কৃপা হয় অহৈত কি if you shower causeless mercy unto me সকলেই সম্ভব everything is possible. Why? Because for Lord what is impossible? A magician cannot show so many miracle thing. So why God cannot show that type of miracle? God is also greatest magician. That is why is Bengali called Kautuki. Kautuki means magician. As you are a greatest magician, so it is not impossible for you to make it happen. Though they are in Taman Rajagun, but you are a magician. You are a magician. You can, whatever Srila Prabhupada has done, is magician or not? What do you think? In your life, whatever changed, it is not magic. Everybody can write life history about his own self. Those who join in his Krishna consciousness, everybody can write their life history. I am right or wrong? So what does it mean? What does it mean? Magic has happened with our life. So, who has done this? Prabhupada. Another thing, see, Prabhupada has given the credit of Krishna. You are a magician. And Krishna said, okay, I will make you a magician. As Prabhupada told him, you are magician, and that is a Prabhupada, okay. You have seen that quality into me, okay, I will give that quality to you. You will be a magician. And the end of this song, Prabhupada said, oh Krishna, you are Jagat Guru. And Prabhupada said, okay, Krishna said, okay, I will make you Jagat Guru. So, Krishna had made this contact. Je Jathamang Prabhadante. So here, Prabhupada saying, Shakali Shambhav Tumi she Kautuki. Everything is possible because you are a greatest magician. Now, কিভাবে বুঝালে তারা বুঝে সেই রস? What is রস? What is রস? What is রস? Is South Indian here? Anybody? What is রস? You don't know? Rasam? Famous food, rasam. What is ras? Ras, food also. What is the ras? Water mix, unite, sand, cement, gitti, bricks. So purpose of water or ras is uniting together. For making chapati, you need water to make dough. So what is the purpose of ras? Bind. Another ras, to bind the soul with super soul. That is called ras. Shanto Dasya Shukka Vachula Madhur Pancharas. This 5 ras is binding soul with super soul. Now, this ras, what is ras? Loving relationship, prem. Ras actually prem. Binding force. Ras actually binding force. কিভাবে বুঝালে তারা বুঝে সেই রস, the binding force, how to love, how to serve Krishna, how to make them understand. কিভাবে বুঝালে, how to make them understand, I don't know. So how humble Srila Prabhupada is. He went to America to make them understand, and he said, Krishna, I don't know how to make them understand. কিভাবে বুঝালে, how, which technique I should follow. কিভাবে বুঝালে তারা বুঝে সেই রস? এত কৃপা করো প্রভু করি নিজে বয়। এত কৃপা, এত শব্দ অর্থাৎ এত অর্থাৎ এত শব্দ হিন্দি में नहीं, इतना इतना अर्थात बहुत ज़्यादा. तो बोला प्रभु, हाँ इतना कृपा करना चाहिए. You have to show this much facility. I have brought you America, again I have to give you all these things. It is my responsibility. Yes. এত কৃপা করো প্রভু. Yes, Lord, you have to show this much mercy unto me. Why I should? Because Tabo Bosh, I am your surrendered soul. If someone surrendered, like if some here maximum intelligent girl, if you give up your job for your husband's pleasure, you will not demand everything from your husband. I have given up job for yourself and for your children taking care. Now from her my money for clothes and everything, it is your responsibility. My husband also think, yes, that is right. She surrendered to me because she got high education. She got a job. She also left that job to serve me. So it is my responsibility to take care of her. But nowadays scenario is different. Wife is coming late after her husband. So how husband can expect wife will cook for him? Because he is more, more, more fatigue. Her work is more. Sometimes she is earning more. So why she should cook for husband? Husband should cook for wife. So here, এত কৃপা করব করি নিজ বশ. As I am a fully surrendered soul, now it is your responsibility to show this type of mercy unto me. Why এত কৃপা? Just what is he saying here? কিভাবে বুঝালে তারা বুঝে সেই রস? How to make them understand? You should give that intelligence to me. And previous line what he said? You should shower your causeless mercy to Americans. Previous verse, have you not explained? তবে যদি তব কৃপা হয় অহেতুকি, you should shower your causeless mercy to Americans. Now Krishna Sakari, I have to shower causeless mercy to Americans and I have to give intelligence to you. So what is everything my responsibility? I have brought you here. Again my responsibility to shower causeless mercy to Americans and give intelligence to you. So you will not do anything. All responsibility mine. Yes. Krishna is yes. Why? Then, before explaining that, I can give you another analogy. Then I will read that. Where I am staying, I sometimes forget where I am. Pune. Achha, sometimes I cannot understand where I am. Every something. It happens with me when I woke up from bed. Where I stood. It takes some time to understand where I am today. So, US person sent his children Delhi for study. And in bad association, his children become polluted. It happens. Today I had bad news. Our Kanai Thakur Babu, just we were chanting together, he left and he came after 5 minutes. He said, Maharaj, please forgive me, there was emergency call. His one devotee, young boy, committed suicide. And he wrote note to his parents, I cannot fulfill your desire to complete this good result. The parents are giving so much pressure to compete there. See, he could not tolerate that. He committed suicide. So they understood after death. So we should not give this type of pressure to the children. So, they don't know what is the goal of life. Children, why should continue with this type of pressure? For that reason, he had to commit suicide. And parents are thinking, we are so intelligent, I am taking care of the children. A rascal. So now, here another example. Like somebody has sent his children to Delhi. And due to bad association, he is spoiled. What mother will say? What wife will say to husband? It will not say to husband, it is your responsibility, you have spoiled my child by sending to Delhi. Now it is your responsibility to bring me here. Will tell or not? Right or not? And will that mother will tell that boy the same thing? Oh, it is not your fault, your father's fault, his sent is there. Will say like that? What will say there? You rascal, we have spent so much money for you. So he will shout to him also. And also, husband also. Which one is right? Both are right. This is affection for the children. So now, this is case of Srila Prabhupada. He is like a mother. He is giving complaint to Krishna. It is you. Whatever is happening in this world by your instruction. So now, it is your responsibility to deliver the Americans. And has he told the Americans, no, no, you have no problem. Actually, Krishna done all these things. You are a good boy. And I will request Krishna to shower his causeless mercy. Has he told like that? Everything nonsense has happened. If somebody said, oh, Krishna has done this, will Prabhupada accept that? No. But Prabhupada is writing next verse. Tomar ichhaye sab hoy maya bosh. Everybody here in this material world, due to what? By your desire. Will Prabhupada accept this word? Prabhupada in his book has any time you have seen whoever in this material world suffering due to Krishna's desire. Have you seen this type of statement? Huh? Anybody? Anywhere? No. But this type of thing to Krishna. Krishna, he's not telling to us. He said, you are rascal. Krishna is giving so much facilities, you have spoiled your life. But he's telling Krishna, it is your responsibility. Tomar ichha sab hoy maya bosh. Tomar ichha nash mayar porosh. But if you desire, tomar ichha nash mayar porosh. If you simply desire, I want to deliver them, Maya will run away. So here see how much compassionate Srila Prabhupada. He is begging on behalf of the Americans. Sometimes we say, oh, why whole world is worshipping Srila Prabhupada? I will say, who have seen Srila Prabhupada here? Nobody. Why are you worshipping Srila Prabhupada every day? Father, mother has given you this body, has good education, so many things. How many days you have given flower to his parents' foot? And you are giving Prabhupada's foot. Why? He has given something higher than that. Why? By seeing his philosophy, reading his philosophy, we can understand what he has given for us. It has not come automatically. Here, Prabhupada's mood. He is begging, he is crying to the lotus feet of Krishna for delivering the Americans. As he is in America, that is why he is praying for the Americans. Actually, he is praying for the whole world. তবু ইচ্ছা হয় যদি তাদের উদ্ধার. You simply desire, I want to deliver the Americans. বুঝিবে নিশ্চয়ই তবে কথা সে তোমার. If you simply desire, I want to deliver the Americans, then he will understand your কথা সে তোমার. What is the meaning of কথা সে তোমার? Your কথা. What is your কথা? Huh? Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam. Krishna's katha and katha related to Krishna. Krishna's katha is Gita. Katha related to Krishna, that is Bhagavatam. That is katha tomar, your katha. Your katha means your pastime. Your katha means your instruction. Both are your katha. Gita and Bhagavatam. So, by reading Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam, only they will understand when you shower causeless mercy unto them. That is why when you read Gita and Bhagavatam, don't become so proud. By reading I will understand. No. Before reading, before opening, pray to spiritual master Prabhupada and Krishna, so that by their mercy we are able to understand. If we are proud, then what will happen? Who has seen puffed rice? Please raise your hand. Puffed rice. Who has seen? Puffed rice is normal rice. If you blow, who will blown away? Puffed rice. So don't become puffed up. So you will understand anything, Gita and Bhagavad. So one should humble to get the mercy of Guru and Krishna. So now, what is Krishna Katha? Bhagavater Katha she tabo avatar, ধীর হইয়া শুনে যদি কানে বারবার. Bhagavater Katha she tabo avatar. The Katha of Bhagavat, the subject matter of Srimad Bhagavat is the literary incarnation of Krishna. Krishna came in the form of words as Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam is the word form of Krishna's incarnation. But to understand that needs two qualification. What is that? Dheer hoya shune. Give submissive oral reception. First qualification. Second one, bar, every day. So, Prabhupada is telling, simply by hearing Bhagavat, you will able to see Krishna in your heart. But for hearing, you have to be qualified two parts. One thing, you have to hear with great submissively. Dheer hoya. With great attention. Second one, repeatedly. At least every day. What is the proof? After that, Prabhupada is quoting this statement from Bhagavatam. First canto, second chapter, 18 to 22. 5 verses is quoted. To give this proof, whatever Prabhupada told, he is giving the evidence from Srimad Bhagavatam. So, this is the hub of this song. You can sing this part. If you have time, you can. Who can play Midango? 2 beats. Who can play 2 beats? 2 beats? Okay. Somebody can continue the song. This is Kortal. Somebody can continue the song. Huh? What happens? No, I have no problem. So everybody has in mobile, na? Who has in the mobile? Can I show the in the mobile? So everybody can follow if I sing. Okay. Boro kripa koile Krishna adhamero prati বড় কৃপা কইলে কৃষ্ণ অধমের প্রতি বড় কৃপা কি লাগিয়া নিলে হেথা করো এবে গতি ইয়া নিলে হেথা আছে কিছু কার্য তব এই অনু মানে আছে তব নহে কেন আনিবেন এই উগ্রস্থানে নহে কেন এই উগ্রস্থান রজস্তম গুণেরা সবায়াচ্ছন্ন রজস্থান বাসুদেব কথা রুচি নহে সে প্রসন্ন এই তবে যদি তব কৃপা হয় হই তুকি, তবে যদি সকলি সম্ভব হয়, তুমি সে কৌতুকী সকল। কিভাবে বুঝালে তারা বুঝে সেই রস, কিভাবে এত কৃপা করো প্রভু, করি নিজ বশ। তোমার ইচ্ছায় সব হয় মায়া বশ, তোমার তোমার ইচ্ছায় নাশ মায়ার পরশ। তব ইচ্ছা হয় যদি তাদের উদ্ধার, বুঝিবে নিশ্চয়ই তবে কথা সে তোমার। ভাগবতের কথা সে তব অবতার, ভাগবত ধীর হইয়া শুনে যদি কানে বারবার, after that Prabhupada has given quote from Srimad Bhagavatam, Sinnatangsha Katha Krishna Punna Sravana Kirtana Riddhi Antastha Abhadrani Vidhunati Shuichata. This subject matter of Krishna is so auspicious. Simply by hearing, it brings auspiciousness. Vidhunati, dhunoti, धोके साफ कर देता है, हाँ, cleanse all the dirty desire from the heart. Simply by like, I have a lot of desire to drink this. But if I know what is poison, all the desire will go away. In the same way, Bhagavatam explains so nicely the material world, So desire for sense gratification will come to zero. Nashta prayashu abhadreshu. What is abhadra? Dirty things. Desire for sense gratification. Nashta abhadreshu. All the dirty things will cleanse, washed up. Nityang Bhagavat Sevaya. Every day one should hear. That is the condition. Bhagavat said, every day should hear. And Bhagavati Uttam Shakla Bhakti Bhavat Noishtiki. And Noishtiki Bhakti. Noishtiki Bhakti means unflinching faith to Krishna. Tada rajastama bhava kamo lobho daschaje chetoyate anaviddhang sthitang satya pasudati. Tamo and Rajagun, from Tamo and Rajagun comes Kamo Lobho. Kamo Lobho, lust and greed. But by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam, no Tamo and Rajo, there is no lust and greed. And Sthitang Satya Prasidati, he will sit in pure goodness. And in pure goodness he will understand Krishna. এবং প্রসন্ন মনস ভগবত ভক্তি জগত. In a peaceful mind he will engage in Bhagavad Bhakti Jagata. And Bhagavad Tattva Vijnanam, by knowing Bhagavad, Mukta Sankasha Jayat. He will free from this world. And what will be the result? Vidyate Hridaya Granthi. There are so many knots. Those knots, knots means attachment. Like you have 1 crore rupees in your locker. Can you come in the class? There is a knot. Somebody cannot come to the temple because there is a dog. There is a knot. So there are so many knots. But somebody like Mataji's, the knot of different clothes. Before going somewhere, you have to think about 10-15 minutes, which cloth I will use. Now this one is good, there is another knot. Now this color is good, another knot. Giving up the knot, selecting one. So knot you have to cut. No, this is, I will not use this. There's so many knots are there. Then, Vidyate Hridaya Granthi. This way, so many granthis, knots, you will cut up. And Chindanta Sarva Samshaya. All the doubts will cut up. Yes, if we serve Krishna, Krishna will take care of this. All the doubts, Sindante and Kshiyanta Chasya Karmani. Every karma has its fruits. But by simply hearing all the fruits of activities, even bad, good, both, will free from all the reaction of the world. When it will happen? Drishteva Atmani Share. Simply by hearing Bhagavatam, we will be able to see Lord in the heart, automatically this thing will happen. Then Prabhupada again writing Bengali song. Rajastama hote tabe paive nistar, hridayer abhadra sab ghuchibe tahar. They are free from Rajantama, all the abhadra will cleansed off. কি করে বুঝাবো কথা বর সেই চাই ক্ষুদ্র আমি দিনহীন কোনো শক্তি নাই. কিভাবে বুঝাবো কথা? I don't know how to make them understand. I want the benediction so that I able to understand how to make them understand. বর সেই চাই, I want that benediction. ক্ষুদ্র আমি দিনহীন কোনো শক্তি নাই. I am very fallen, I have no strength. I want your causeless mercy. Othocho means? Othocho? Still, I have no qualification, still you brought me here. Othocho এনেছো প্রভু কথা বলিবারে, যে তোমার ইচ্ছা প্রভু করো এইবারে. I have no qualification, but you have brought me here to make them understand. অখিল জগৎগুরু বচন সে আমার অলঙ্কৃত কইবার ক্ষমতা তোমার. ও লর্ড, ইয়ার অখিল, অখিল মিন্স entire, Akhil Jagadguru means? Who is Akhil Jagadguru? Krishna. But if Krishna is Akhil Jagadguru, but America, is anybody devotee of Krishna? That means the Singhasan of Guru, Jagadguru was empty there. So Prabhupada saying, oh Krishna, you are the Jagadguru of the whole world. Why the Singhasan of Guru America should remain empty? Please sit down. Please, may. Alankrita karna means? Alankrita means? Decorate. So how to decorate the Singhasan? How many Chinese flowers need? How to decorate on flower, Singhasan? How to decorate on Singhasan? Who can give the answer? How to decorate the Singhasan? Huh? By letting the speaker to sit here. Yes. If you put a sit here, Srila Prabhupada, who is more precious ornament than the Srila Prabhupada. So, Alankrita karna means, बोल ना आप सिंहासन अलंकृत कीजिए, अर्थात वहाँ पर जो जो अलंकार है उनमें से आप मूल्यवान अलंकार है, आप जाओ उसको सजा लीजिए खुद के बैठकर. तो प्रभुपाद से ओ कृष्ण, you should decorate the Singhasan of Jagadguru by taking that position. That means you should become the Guru of the Americans. Wow, what is the desire of Srila Prabhupada? And Prabhupada and Krishna gave that. Krishna gave the credit to Arjun. Ramchandra gave that credit to Hanuman. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave that credit to Srila Prabhupada. Tabo kripa hole mor kotha shuddha habe, shuniya sabar shok dukkho je ghochibe. Tabo kripa hole mor kotha shuddha habe. If you shower your causeless mercy unto me, my word will be purified. And by hearing that purified word, everybody will be happy. আনিয়াছ যদি প্রভু আমারে নাচাতে, ও লর্ড, ইউ হ্যাভ ব্রট মি হিয়ার টু মেক মি ড্যান্স. নাচাও নাচাও প্রভু নাচাও সে মতে. ও লর্ড, ওকে, মেক মি ড্যান্স. কাষ্ঠের পুতুল যথা নাচাও সে মতে. আই অ্যাম এ উডেন ডল ইন ইউর হ্যান্ড. এ উডেন ডল হ্যাজ no independence. He is a puppet in the hand of a puppeteer. Oh Krishna, you are a puppeteer. I am in your hand, I am a wooden doll. Please make me dance. I have no desire. Then last line he told, Bhakti nai, Ved nai, Name khub daro. Oh Krishna, I have no bhakti. Ved means knowledge. I have no knowledge, I have no bhakti, but my name is Bhaktivedanta. Out of affection, sometimes mother give the name of a child, child is blind, and mother told her, Padmalochan. Sometimes parents, they want male child, but all are 2, 3, 4 children, all are girl. That is, they say, oh Baba, this is a male child. Address like, this is good. This is a sign of affection. So here, Prabhupada saying, I have no bhakti, I have no Ved, but my name is Bhaktivedanta. How humble Srila Prabhupada. Bhakti nai, Ved nai, Name khub daro. By, I am so fearful about my degree. Now, ewe Sharthak. Sharthak means? Sharthak means? Sha arthak, with meaning. Sa artha, artha sahit. Make this name meaningful. That means give me bhakti and knowledge. So for preaching, 2 things is important. You need bhakti, you need knowledge. Sometimes we gather only knowledge. No, it will not work. So both is required. Bhakti and knowledge, both are required. So, we can sing this. রজস্তম হতে তবে পাইবে নিস্তার। হৃদয়ের ভদ্র সব ঘুচিবে তাহার। কি করে বুঝাব কথা বর সেই চাহি, কি করে শুদ্ধ আমি দিনহীন, কোনো শক্তি নাই। অথচ এনেছ প্রভু কথা বলি বারে, অথচ যে তোমার ইচ্ছা প্রভু করো এবারে। অখিল জগত গুরু বচন সেয়া মার, অখিল অলঙ্কৃত করিবার সমতা তোমার। তব কৃপা হলে মোর কথা শুদ্ধ হবে, তব কৃপা শুনিয়া সবার শোক দুঃখ যে ঘুচিবে, আনিয়াছ যদি প্রভু আমারে নাচাতে, না চাও না চাও প্রভু, না চাও সে মতে, না চাও কাষ্ঠের পুত্তলি যথা, না চাও সে মতে, ভক্তি নাই বেদনাই নামে খুব ডরো ভক্তি নাই ভক্তি বেদান্ত নাম এবে সার্থক কর হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ হরে হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Prabhupada. गौर प्रेमानंदी हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जगद्गुरु शिल प्रभुपाद की, जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा महारानी की, समवेत गौर भक्तवृंद की, गौर प्रेमानंद।
हरे कृष्णा। किसी का कोई प्रश्न है जो पूछना चाहेंगे? ऑल राइट।
Hare Krishna Maharaj, thank you so much for such a wonderful exposition on this song. I have heard this song multiple times, but never before I had heard the meaning of Markine Bhagavatam. What is the title of the song? First time I heard. And I wanted to ask, Prabhupada has such humble mood, and means I have been associated with this song since last 15 years. And I have seen many temples, many places I have been. And means many places I have seen that those who are holding positions and authorities, sometimes they don't have this kind of humble mood. The new people, those including myself, those who are coming to bhakti, instead of inspiring them, sometimes we want to control them. We don't want to give them that independence. Like Prabhupada has written in Bhagavatam, independently thoughtful the devotee should be. But recently also I have seen that people want to own people. So I also have this tendency. We want to, rather than being a via medium to Guru and Krishna, we generally have this tendency to control things. And this puts them off and they don't feel inspired. Like Raja Prabhu says, we should inspire voluntary service attitude. And seeing Prabhupada's humility, it really is very heartwarming. But when it comes to ourselves, very difficult. So how do we develop such a even iota of that mood which Srila Prabhupada is having, and which you are also, Srila Bhakti Charu Maharaj also exemplified to such a great degree? How do we do that? And when we see that in other authorities, means we cannot correct them, we cannot try to improve the temple, but then the devotees come to us, Ki Prabhuji, he is not able to understand me, my counselor is not able to understand me. So how do we help them?
So many questions. Like, great devotee means more humble devotees. Great devotee means always able to see Krishna. And when he is able to see Krishna, then he can understand his insignificant position. When you are unable to see Krishna, that is why, oh, I may be Krishna. So, great devotee means he is able to see Krishna, that is why he can understand, compare himself with him. So that is why, if somebody is humble, that means a great devotee. So without becoming a nice devotee, we cannot become humble artificially. Artificially we become humble, then we will be proud. Oh, see, I am so humble. And your next question, sometimes this type of people, we don't give a counselor or authority, want to exploit their... That is not good, they are as neophyte. But like, is it parents or authorities, they don't give credit. Like our ideal leader is Krishna. He gives the full credit to Arjuna of victory. In the same way, Hanuman is a monkey. He gives whole victory to Hanuman. Hanuman, Krishna, Ramchandra unable to make the bridge. Then he gives the credit to Hanuman. In Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is the greatest scholar at that time, but he did not write a single book. He gave all the credit to Goswamis. Not only that, he gave the credit to Srila Prabhupada to spread throughout the world. That is the leader. So, if you become leader and don't want to give a scope, then ultimately we will be loser. Our council will not be a great devotee. Then who is losing? If we give a scope, our council will be a great devotee. Then we will become glorified. But if Adar is not happening, don't worry about that. At least nobody is objecting me to do that. I can do that. Nobody helped Srila Prabhupada, but Prabhupada alone did. So if nobody comes, there is no harm. At least we can become.
And means when the other devotees are connected to their authorities, but they're highly dissatisfied because of the reason I just told you, then if they come to us, how should we guide them? We cannot, means then they're, if we give some otherwise guidance according to Shastra, Srila Prabhupada's desire, then we get the blame. So,
Yeah, like we should tell them the authority is guiding you. He's wrong. He's wrong. You should clearly he's wrong. You have not joined his movement. You have joined ISKCON's movement. Who your authority? Who has given make them authority? Our authority is Prabhupada give authority to GBC. GBC has empowered temple president. Temple president has given the authority to departmental head. So we should see this line of authority. If the authority is not correct, so a higher authority your subordinate is exploiting that devotee, please help him. He is not the supreme.
thank you so much, Maharaj. Hare Krishna.
He's coming from long way from Chhattisgarh.
Wow.
Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand. Acha, shifted to Bangalore. He got to know you're coming, so Prabhu came today morning.
You come from Bangalore.
He has his brother staying here in Wakar, so Prabhu got to know, so he came today morning. Like that.
Now we are in Bangalore.
He's working in Bangalore. Like that.
Thank
He's
you
been
for-
connected for many, many years with Pune, like that. So Hare Krishna. So I would like to thank Maharaj for this wonderful presentation. I got a call, रिमाइंडर कॉल महाराज का अगला प्रोग्राम है, तो इसलिए मैं आपसे अगले क्वेश्चन के लिए तो नहीं कह पाऊँगा, बट महाराज को हम धन्यवाद देना चाहेंगे इस खूबसूरत प्रेजेंटेशन और इस अर्थ को समझाने के लिए. आई रियली लाइक दैट एनालॉजी जब महाराज बता रहे थे माता का उदाहरण देकर. जब माँ होती है जिसका बच्चा बिगड़ गया है तो पहले वो पति को कह के दोष देती है, तुम्हारी गलती है, तुमने उसको दिल्ली भेजा, तुमने उसको पैसा दिया, और फिर लड़के को फोन करके कहती हैं तू बिगड़ गया बदमाश, सब तेरा करा धरा है. And so nicely he said, Maharaj said, why mother does like this? Because she has so much love, and out of the love, and she loves both. इसी प्रकार से प्रभुपाद यहाँ पे कृष्ण को कह रहे हैं, कृष्ण ये आप ही के सारा माया जाल है जिसके कारण सब बिगड़ गए हैं. तो कृष्ण आप ही. और जब प्रभुपाद उनसे मिलते थे तो प्रभुपाद कहते थे सब तुम्हारा करा धरा है. लाइक महाराज जो सेइंग, नो वे इन द बुक प्रभुपाद एवर रोड कि कोई बात नहीं, अच्छा है करते रहो, प्रभु की कृपा से पाप कर्म कर रहे हो. नो वे लाइक दैट, यू नो. प्रभुपाद ऑलवेज चेस्टाइज देम. सो आई वाज रिमेम्बरिंग, इसी प्रकार से जब देवहूति कपिल देव से प्रश्न उठाना शुरू करती हैं तो सबसे पहली चीज़ वो यही कहती हैं. मदर देवहूति सेड, हे प्रभु ये सब आप ही का माया है, आप ही की शक्ति के अंदर अधीन होकर मैं ये सब कर रही हूँ. तो उस समय प्रभुपाद तात्पर्य में यही कहते हैं, क्या मदर देवहूति ये कह रही हैं कि सब कुछ गलत जो हो रहा है इस दुनिया में भगवान के कारण हो रहा है? एंड देन देवहूति सेज, नो माय डियर लॉर्ड, बिकॉज ये शक्ति आपकी अधीन है तो आप इस शक्ति को मेरे ऊपर से हटा सकते हैं. उसी प्रकार से मैंने मेकिंग द पॉइंट, आई सेड वाओ इंटरेस्टिंग. सब शुद्ध भक्तों का मूड एक जैसा ही होता है. They have the same clarity, and like that Prabhupada is making this beautiful prayer. साथ ही साथ किस प्रकार से हमें प्रभु और भगवान के समक्ष एम्पावरमेंट के लिए प्रार्थना करनी चाहिए वो भी सीखने को मिला. लास्ट लाइन वाज वेरी नाइस, यू नो, भक्ति नहीं वेद नहीं. आई डोंट हैव भक्ति, आई डोंट हैव वेद मीन्स नॉलेज. प्रचार करना है तो हमें भक्ति भी चाहिए, ज्ञान भी चाहिए. तो किस प्रकार भगवान से प्रार्थना करनी चाहिए, और साथ ही साथ सबसे महत्वपूर्ण प्रभुपाद के चरित्र को और बारीकी से समझने का मौका मिला. I mean, I've read this song many times, but when Maharaj was explaining, I was thinking, you know what, so interesting. Maharaj made that point in the beginning कि प्रचार के लिए प्रभुपाद जी ने सब इंग्लिश में लिखा, बट जब प्रभुपाद को अपने एक्सप्रेशंस, अपने मन, you know, what you say, he had to express his own feelings towards the Lord or his spiritual master, then he expressed in Bengali. तो यहाँ पे प्रभुपाद अपने मन के भाव को समझाते हुए and he's expressing. And what a beautiful expression. I know nothing, I have no qualification, I am a puppet at your hand. जो इस भजन को ये पढ़ ले, आप ऐसे भजन अपने उन लीडर्स को फॉरवर्ड कर देना, वो भजन को पढ़ने के बाद अपने आप ही वो विनम्र हो जाएंगे. जब प्रभुपाद ऐसा कह सकते हैं तो हमारा तो सोचने का मतलब ही नहीं बनता, हम में कोई भक्ति है, हम में कोई ज्ञान है, हम कोई प्रचार कर रहे हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच महाराज फॉर दिस वंडरफुल वंडरफुल प्रेजेंटेशन. प्रभुपाद जी ने कहा कि भजन केवल एक साधारण भजन नहीं है, उसमें हमारे समस्त फिलॉसफी का रहस्य छुपा हुआ है. and the most essential is विनम्रता, humility, जो आज हमें सीखने को मिली. So आइए एक बार फिर महाराज का हम धन्यवाद देते हैं. एक बार जोर से हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र बोल के हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. His Holiness Bhakti Prem Swami Maharaj ki. So tomorrow morning there would be a class at NVCC. जो इच्छुक भक्त हैं कल वे NVCC में जाके सुन सकते हैं. Schedule has been posted on the group. Monday morning I believe there's a Bhagavatam class at Kunchubihari. So Maharaj is here for almost a week. Wednesday and Thursday at Nigri, which is the nearest. Tuesday at Nigri, Bhagavatam. Evening na. So I'll share that. So Nigri is just nearby. Please take this blessed opportunity of having association of Maharaj. Maharaj is here until Friday. So with that, thank you so much Maharaj for your association.